Hello, this is Varun Jindal. We deals in colors and pigments for all kind of plastic master batches, PVC pipe, and plastic granules, reprocessed granules, and everything for plastic, all kind of plastics. And we are from here only, Hyderabad. From last 2005, 18 years, last 18 years, we are supplying all types of color pigments, metallic pulp pigments. We have PVC chemicals like titanium dioxide, stearic acid, waxes, stabilizers we have, and we have FRP raw materials for fiberglass reinforced plastic. All types of raw materials we are dealing. We are associated with many branded and non-branded companies in India, and dealing in all types of colors and chemicals for all kinds of, not only for plastic. We have ink pigments only. Also, we are dealing in rubber pigments, cosmetics. Also, we have, and for inks and coatings, we have everything we can provide. For colors and chemicals, everything we can provide. Thank you.